Hello and welcome, grade 7. Today we're going to learn how to find the mean, which is the average, the median, and the mode using Excel. Now, these are formulas in Excel, and I have here 13 students, okay, that for example, want to find the mean or the average of each student first. I have already calculated their averages for term 1, term 2, term 3, and term 4. Now, suppose, for example, I want to find the mean of Mira, which is my first student here. So basically, I will add the 4 terms, the grades of the 4 terms, and then I will divide them by 4. However, in Excel, since this is time consuming, it has made it easier for me. Now I can do this manually. So I'm going to go to formulas. After you press formulas, you go to insert function. Okay, and you select average. Now, please keep in mind that Excel does not read the word mean. So you have to press average, okay? And once this, suppose it automatically did the cells for us, but suppose it didn't do the cells, so you have to select the cells of Mira. The cells are from B2 till E2. Press OK, and there you go. That's the mean. Now this is a little bit complicated. I prefer an easier way. No matter what you want to do in Excel, when it comes to formulas and functions, you can type in the box, for example, this is the mean. So this is where I want to find. So you press it and you write equal or type in equal. We always start with the equal. It's very important. Then you type average. Okay, and this is the average. Please, I want you to double click on it. So you double click on it so that it will automatically open the parentheses. You select the cells that you want to get the average for. You press again. Please, we need to close the parentheses and you press enter and there you go. Suppose I want to do more practice now and find the average of Mila. So how do I find the average of Mila? Again, mean means average. You have to put equals, average, double click on it. It will open parentheses automatically. We select the cells that we want to get the average for, and then don't forget to close the parentheses. You have to press shift and brackets, enter, and there we go. Now this is time consuming if I want to do the averages for every student, and Excel made things easier for me. It's enough to only find the average of one student, which is Mira here, and then you're going to search for this small square at the bottom right. Once this is here, you're going to wait until the cursor turns into black, as you can see here. It becomes a thin black plus. You're going to drag this square with you till where you want to stop. I have 13 students, so I'm going to stop at Robin. And there we go. So now I found the averages for all my students. Okay. Now, how do I find the median? Remember, if I want to find the median first, what do I need to do? I need to rearrange the data that I have in order from least to greatest, right? And then I find the midpoint or the middle value. Okay, now you don't have to do this, by the way, but let us rearrange the data from the least to the greatest, okay? Averages. Please make sure to look that Mira now is the first student and Robin is the last one. Now, after I have chosen only the averages, you don't choose the names, please. You go to sort and filter. And then you are going to sort the numbers from the smallest to the largest. A dialog box will open. You have to press expand the selection, sort, and there you go. So now the averages are sorted from the least average to the highest score. And Robin now is the first name and Hamoudi is the last name. And if we notice that Mira is in number 9. So how do I find the median? Remember, it's the midpoint. So you have 6 numbers upwards and 6 downwards. Since they are 13, it's an odd number. And this should be the median. Now, suppose you don't know. You don't need, as I mentioned before, to rearrange them. You just simply click equal. Remember, in every formula in Excel, you have to start with the equal. And now I type in median, okay? And you double click on it. It will open parentheses. You select the data that you want, the cells that you want to work with to find the median. So I need to find the median of the averages here. And then you close parentheses using shift brackets and press enter. So my median is 14.25. Moving on to the mode. The mode is the most frequent or repeated value. Now, without Excel, we know that the mode is the most repeated value. So here, the only repeated value that I have is basically 15. It's repeated 2 times. So the mode must be equal to 15. All right, suppose I didn't know and I am going to use Excel. So again, the equal sign, you type in equal and then we type in mode. You double click on mode and we select the data that we need to find the mode for. Remember to close parentheses, select enter, and there you go. My mode is 15. Thank you for watching.